appreciate everyone's kind messages. Thank you. Very nice to see you. How are you?
Very good.
No.
Yes. With Bond, the back one, yeah, every time.
And then you came over here.
November 22, came over here, so I was with Essex and Arts for a while.
Good. Have you been doing another occupiers here?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes, very much so.
The date, we know roughly when that starts.
Sydney, and then a big
Sydney as well. That seems like a well-trodden path. I've got lots of friends who are Triple A been out there.
Yeah, it's a really nice. Really nice.
How big is the team there? How many?
Just stay on the road. They get it.
Take a few steps back.
Thank you. Really good to see you. Yeah, it means a lot to me. I know you get the whole aviation well, so it's great to see you. A few jokes to your friends. Don't break any heads. Good. Have you ever also filmed it? Let's go, yes.
Excellent, thank you both.
I haven't got my top notes.
Thank you, Jonathan, and good evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here tonight, and thank you to all those whose hard work has made this evening possible. I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you also for the kind messages of support for Catherine and for my father, especially in recent days. It means a great deal to us all. It's fair to say the past few weeks have had a rather medical focus, so I thought I'd come to an air ambulance function to get away from it all. But seriously, we gather tonight to help as many people as possible benefit from top-class care in the silhouette of London Air Ambulance's flying lifelines. As a former pilot for East Anglia Air Ambulance, I know just how vital the work of air ambulance teams across the country is, and the truly life-saving difference it can make to deliver urgent medical care wherever injury strikes. Here in London, the current aircraft have served magnificently, but our capital city needs a new fleet. And we're up against time. The clue really is in the appeal's name. By September, we need the 2 new Red Birds, decked with the latest kit, such as night vision in our skies. You wouldn't be here if you needed much persuading, I know. But just wait till you hear Milana's story later of how the air ambulance and its incredible teams have given her a second chance at life. I should also take this opportunity to give a mention to our fellow pilot, Tom Cruise. Tom, huge thanks for supporting us tonight. And Tom, if you wouldn't mind not borrowing either of the new helicopters for the next Mission Impossible, it would be appreciated. We've all seen on our screens that, how can I put it, you seem to have a different take on normal wear and tear to the rest of us. It's not the kind that buffs out. Anyway, an enormous thank you to everyone involved for tonight and for all of you being here and supporting such a wonderful and important cause. You're all, each and every one of you, lifesavers. Thank you.